In this problem, we are given a diagram with initial voltage. We have two resistors, a current, and two more voltages in here. We are given the initial voltage as 89 volts. We are given our first resistor as 121 ohms and our second resistor as 766 ohms. We are asked to find the voltage of V2. Now, to do this, we are going to look in the notes linked below in a Google Docs in section 3.3 and 3.4, voltage divider and current divider. In this section, we are given a super simplistic formula to find this. To start this off, we are looking at V2. So we're going to have our V2, and we are setting this equal to Vs, which is our starting voltage. So for this example, it's going to be 89, and this is being multiplied by our closest resistor. That means R2 in this example. R2 is 766 ohms. I'm going to omit units until the end, that way it's a little bit more simplistic. And then we have our R1 plus our R2, and this is because they are in series. So we're going to have 121 plus 766 on the bottom. This equals to be 887. If we plug this into a calculator, we're going to get the value 76.8591. And this is the answer to our problem. If you found this video useful, consider giving it a like. If you want more videos like this, there is a playlist linked below, or you can subscribe, whichever one's easier for you. Good luck on your studies. Have a great day.